मनकुलात.com। पढ़िए दुनिया भर की खबरें और मालूमात दुनिया की मशहूर 3 ज़बानों में, उर्दू, इंग्लिश और जर्मन मैगजीन के साथ।
Prime Minister meets Executive Director of United Nations World Food Programme. The Executive Director of the Rome-based United Nations World Food Programme (WFP), Mr. Beasley, called on Prime Minister Imran Khan. The Prime Minister appreciated the role of WFP as the leading international humanitarian organization for delivering food assistance in emergencies and for working with nations worldwide to improve nutrition and build resilience. The Prime Minister underlined that Pakistan has been a beneficiary of various WFP projects that are being implemented in the country and value its partnership with organizations. Views are also exchanged on the evolving situation in Afghanistan. The Prime Minister reiterated that information of an exclusive government and positive engagement of international community with Afghanistan is the way forward to avert any humanitarian crisis and secure peace and stability in Afghanistan. Executive Director Beasley expressed gratitude for Pakistan's role in facilitating the work of the United Nations World Food Programme in providing food assistance to Afghans. He also discussed with the Prime Minister the ways of facilitating the continued provision of humanitarian assistance to the Afghan people.
हमारे प्रोग्राम सोशल मीडिया पे मनकुलात के नाम से आप देख सकते हैं। यूट्यूब पे मनकुलात के प्रोग्राम को लाइक कीजिए और बावक्त बरखबर रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन का बटन दबाना मत भूलिए।